To fix a Nest doorbell chime that's not working, there are several potential causes to consider. The issue may be due to a low battery, a connection problem, or the quiet time feature being enabled. Checking the doorbell's battery is a good place to start, as a low battery can result in reduced performance and prevent the chime from working. If the battery is low, it can be charged using the included USB-C cable, which takes around 5 hours to fully charge. Once the battery is charged, the doorbell can be reattached to the base plate and the chime can be tested to see if it's working. Another potential cause of the issue is a connection problem. To troubleshoot this, the internet connection should be checked, and the Nest Doorbell app can be opened to see if the device is offline. If it is, the Wi-Fi connection can be rebooted or the doorbell can be reset to resolve the issue. Finally, the doorbell settings should be checked to ensure that the chime is enabled. This can be done by launching the Google Home app, holding the device's tile, and clicking on Settings. From there, the doorbell settings can be accessed, and the chime can be turned on if it's not already. Additionally, the quiet time feature can be checked, and if it's enabled, it can be deactivated by clicking Cancel. By following these steps, the issue with the Nest doorbell chime should be resolved.